What's the meaning of catafalque? Catafalque. Catafalque.
Catafalque. Catafalque. A catafalque is a raised platform or framework used to support a coffin or casket during a funeral or memorial service. It is typically decorated with religious symbols or floral arrangements and serves as a symbol of honor and respect for the deceased. The catafalque may be placed in the center of the room or at the front of an altar, where it becomes the focal point of the ceremony. Overall, the catafalque plays an important role in providing a dignified and solemn farewell for the departed.